Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on this table. It can be a 4-seater dining table, it can be a big size coffee table, but in this case it's gonna be 2 side tables. So let's get into the process of how to make an epoxy river table. As you see, I have my working table here full of tape. So this is my mold. So when I clamp it down and caulk the surrounding areas, I make it leak proof, and then we can start the pour. We're using 3 different colors: black, coffee, and green. Okay, so we got our liquid glass epoxy from SUPERCLEAR. It's a 2-to-1 deep pour epoxy. So in this case, I'm gonna do 4 liters part A and 2 liters of part B. Since we're using 3 different colors, I'm gonna mix the clear first really well. After that, I'm gonna separate in 3 buckets the 3 different colors. So let's mix it. Okay, I already mixed this for a long time. Since the black is gonna be just a little bit, that's the one that has the least. So now let's put the colors on this, mix it again, and we go from there. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the coffee and green at the same time. There we go, and this is gonna look great. And this is the part where the design factor comes in. Let's bring more green this way. Yeah, baby, that's exactly what I want. Okay guys, so I just sanded this piece to a 60 grit just to get out of the way the little excess of epoxy that I had on the surface. I just had a conversation with the owner of this custom project. So we have 24 by 19 and a half. That's my measurement for each side table. So I have table number 1, table number 2, a great leftover of 20 by 49. And I still need their approval. So I'm waiting on this. From now, I'm just gonna keep sanding, retouch little spots of epoxy, and then, as soon as I have a response, I'm gonna cut it and see if either they make the tables a little bit bigger, or if they wanna use a leftover that is big enough to make 2 consoles, a bench, an entry table, or 4 little tables instead of 2, but we'll see. Let's get to the sanding. Erase the grain in between sanding steps, and you always achieve a next level finish. Okay, it's looking really nice. Next step, let's cut it. Okay, so the customer just confirmed we're going with 1, 2, 3, 4 end tables, side tables. So let's get to it and cut it. Whenever you're making these type of cuts in material that is this thick, it's always better to make the cuts little by little. Don't try to cut this at once. The saw can get stuck. The cut is not gonna be clean. It's not gonna be straight. So let's do it little by little. Okay, so the first cut's done. Now let's make that last cut, and we're gonna do the final sanding and finishing. Let's get to the finishing. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave your comment down below if you enjoyed the video, if you like how I was explaining each part of the process, if you like the epoxy color or not, the finish that I used. And yeah, thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget your like. I'll see you in the next one.